Alright, Abusia for Nyamisha Bibia. Aha, I Ghana Sam TV. Best say Abu subscribe to the channel and I'm from my doing chirabra. I will conversation. Obet turning on the notification time anytime we are any video of this kind by Babiano, you will be the first person to see it. Nyamisha Rena.
And then a mu engineer Beast Emma or Mubo NDC party executives near day.
And they are some no. Oh, say NDC for no. The last election, you are short of one Chonka and ma Beast Nabe Abed to pay for their debt. I told my all car, maybe
not as a Oman Quadasi.
Oman Quadasi, that is the issue. Oman Quadasi, that is why the bees are chasing.
Into Beast nearby a spiritual.
And the son of Muka, they say very spiritual. Someone who say, Obina, yeah, and just say, we don't call him, and it's about. Someone who says spiritual, until we don't call him, or mom who say, a spiritual level, until about me. Yeah,
but realistically, we are constituency chairman, Ewo Pandai, Mubetimia sign a maintaining seat way. Obi,
ever maintain it simple. But somebody are not all kind person here, I mean,
okay.
Yeah, officer not all on it. But the year I put to I you could be a munya and you for a war constantly for Omumba Yewi.
Yes.
But so, when you said when I was only two paramount chiefs, Bapu here now the paramount chief and about to see into more paramount chief. One yes, I tell my president, thank you, on Shana, on Jaina, on man, but they are the people almost omunya him. What they say, how can movement or Kenya overcome should be superior than paramount chief? I thought I know can Panda only Panda chief, but you were Nana Abuga only yet the paramount chief for now. And see how can that one over matter respect that or be a paramount chief on to me appeal to the president, but you go to somebody who is a sub chief. Within now, so on somebody superior than the now.
Okay, so your argument is Paramount is near me, no?
Yeah.
Now, Paramount Chief Bako, and or appeal to the president.
Two of them.
Oh, all the two Paramount Chiefs, no?
We other tactics, and on one boom, and on we appeal.
Okay. Now, Ohinena Mustafa Kane, just Pandai Ho.
On the Panda from chief. People keep a Panda.
Oh, okay.
Before you have paramount chief. You see the danger they are bringing to the place. Let me say, they are trying to undermine some and take and elevate some. That's the danger they are bringing to Panda. Yeah, and it's a big copy of this. Why do you expect that even after you think there'll be a chief in Panda? Because who want to talk about your politics? Why your politics? I mean, then the chiefs that we all worship there at our chiefs, no, you are not trying to take position. Yes, the chiefs are over by and they are two permanent chiefs. So if Mustafa is saying that one is now like the chiefs are only the regional Mr. Francis or Moon Street Panda, how on earth can you come to Obi area? I know what I can't people. Regional minister, and Mustafa is trying to party while he says in Panda. That is very dangerous. So that is the problem. After Nyomu Kata, we know I have become a driver now, officer, former MP, Honorable Salano. After 2020 election over him, so Mukata from Malam, 3 of them died immediately after 2020 election. He sacrificed them all them.
Hey, that be able to say.
Driver.
No, he sacrificed them. No, yes, serious allegation. That be trouble.
Before that man died, before driver never won.
Yes.
Okay, I don't want to know.
Okay, then.
Okay, say near no, you're the driver. The deal or the call say or your party boy and or you're the driver. Until they do everything together. And one man, Obi, they are in your mukano. Because where we found out that maybe our person said Mustafa is telling us the competence level of the candidate. Who the candidate is. The election, no, it has nothing to do with Nanado, it has nothing to do with Mama. The election is about Matuniendam and Intalawapa. That's it. If Nanado need what is Mama Ba, and we are looking for somebody who represents Panda, but not anything short than that. And this fella, that former MP cannot be our MP again. To me, because everybody saw him, and the little
na say Yindam so coy. Yindam so coy no sign by you.
Yes, and front and over the past, but that's why people vote. You know, nobody thought 8,000 elections. Or say honorable Dominic Canadian soldier for fire, and I just said soldier for not so much young because on the collecting day, I'm going to vandalize one and soldier for to protect Dominic's interest. And by the time the soldier for dinner, and it's book here no more. You can see the mischief they are playing. On the soldier force by so better to her. And on one side for 9 chain, I'm a soldier for I'll get money, I'm a edit for I'll work against you. And that makes sense.
Very well.
The party is on it. One person the court tonight, a tear some the another the court tonight, we all go back to the ground and we'll meet ourselves.
And you are confident, sir? Matthew Yindam can win.
Obi, I'm 100% sure that Matthew Yindam will come back to Parliament after 30th December. Who check the post
yes.
Me, I'm just saying that I attend to Musa Dampa or for Andy. The polls that they represent what the people came there to do. Who check here? They were constantly for mobile and now where they were, you see, because Peter was there. Or maybe it was all over. Finally, they have to run after the president. But I don't think now, over year parliamentary election. And I must have done what besides say, how did they see the governance? Where the deficit is 2%. What are they going to do the parliamentary election? So, yes, then they will put them people's minds. So, the Panda, Panda, that is that has never happened. Only on Matthew 10 and intellect 10. So he just want to rope in the government so that people will see the government from that angle to vote for NDC candidate. But it is not about NDC in Panda. It's the candidate, two personalities in the problem. It has nothing to do with the government then, now, and before. Because most of Panda, not all car down. It means all Panda, but he doesn't know what is happening in Panda. Now can happen in man who says, yeah, I'm propaganda. Now that I'm going to feel it more. Because what you say is that direct opposite exact thing is happening in Panda. See who are Panda, no car somewhere. Then what do I intend to achieve?
Very well.
Me senior brother will hunt it. Me, I will not waste his time. Me that say, oh.
Yes. One other thing, and it's earlier you made the point about the sacrifices. Now, I would say, Nkofobi reported say 2020 MP need your sacrifice. I think a very serious allegation because the MP is a specific person, an allegation way against this person. No, say won't me ma evidence bia now. Then you may want to withdraw that allegation. No, for your sake and for the sake of the platform, me pacho.
Obi, me say yes, it is that I'm for you. I'm not saying that I was there when
I know. But say again.
Nah. For the sake of the station, it was alleged for you to for sacrifice. But Mustafa is speaking as if said, and I am what my business uncle grew up. But that is okay. But me that is what happened. Because you know when we're in a village, anything that happens, everybody is concerned. No beyond male person.
Yeah,
like but I say, my village and empty installation village is just 4 kilometers different. What I say,
very well.
But if that's the case, the allegation was there. That one, I was not there when they were saying, but I say, I'm on for boy. Don't say for you are. You say we are. You say for yeah, son of what? Look for you to say to be said then I could. Those things were all answered. See, I know that me, I am not going to say that. Let me do that. And I am for you movie and I'm not fine. But that is true. Even for the sake of your station, that is what I'm going to say. It is an allegation that was leveled against the MP. Who say about the saying and the way, you know, the driver of him. The guy suffered and he confessed a lot of things before he died.
Very well.
Good.
Intina wanu gwasem so ka wo meeting ne call so ba untimi confirm say emobro bebo executives ne wo ho.
Now, it means confirm that I don't know who we are now, and I don't know, but I know that there was some peace attack after we had finalized our meeting. Already a few of that for another meeting. And I can't not a honor. And I peace in the to share also a boom. And I do know that even before we left meeting, we have had, confirmed, reports that Indianum MPP Bono, Eddie, Malam Baba Bishop by you or the
as a man, okay, o say MPP for a day.
Malam for April in the
Omo the Malam free Niger.
Oma ye be ye, Oma MPP MP, a former MP, Aqua Aqua it's not working. Now, Matthew, many Matthew, cry or Honma or campaigning and Yejma. Because you see, really, there's no reason why you should vote an MPP MP at this time.
Mustafa, let's interrogate earlier point I will make your name for Yaba Ehano. O say, yes, what confirm say B attack no happen here.
Yes, so we had that information there. There were mallams that have been brought.
Tobo. What confirm B attack na happened? The want to mean confirm say enu ne kun nipa no. But at least you can confirm say Obiewu.
Yeah.
Our NDC executive.
Or your NDC member.
NDC member. Who was at that meeting?
Well, I cannot tell whether he was part of the meeting or not, but as long as he was within the area, I didn't see, and when we found out no NDC.
But apart from Onono, it being so, yaji be to hospital ni bibi ana.
Oh, I haven't gotten
those information.
But with the constituency, would at the right time put all the exact facts for all of us to appreciate the day and the minute account of the development. But what I am aware is what I'm telling you.
And then I will say the course and they say NPP for Niger kofa mallams aba Panda.
No, I'm not saying the I'm saying that even as we were there, information so the mallam bought three every Niger aba.
Say omo me
tell back. Ose
omo me den.
Ne yo the mallam for election go mo den.
And say me me ko election.
Le bi dan bi ko anga anyagba na che we.
But say when I work anya anyagba na e ka.
Me ti wo mo to the omo ye na me ka ho atem. Say ye ko election mo say you are not involved in the election, you dear, what business have you got campaigning and pretending to the whole world that you are not campaigning? And then to the extent that the mallam for crying to answer. One doesn't have a problem
with Omatimi beat him spiritually, dear, and physically is only beat him.
No. I know you beat him would be a honum, a bastard for a concoma for a gunja pony and bonny a it is something that they took us by surprise because we really didn't envisage that coming. There, about 1 year, now we be a couple years. The Ufi Honumwa, we are the me, Papa no Honumwa. Who say, what I'm saying is not strange and it's not out of place. We know ourselves. Both Matthew and Honorable Nsala, the MPI, they are from the same home. Any honum so a bastard pony kokuma pony when you are poker will poker cat to poker can. We are very familiar with it.